Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and you are doing great and you are improving your communication skills. So I want to say thank you first to all of you guys to watching my videos, commenting on my videos and subscribing my videos. It gave me a motivation to continue to upload my videos. So I want to say thank you again and give me motivation when someone give me a real motivation to continue because when someone appreciate your work, someone give you a suggestion, someone give you a hope, and someone give you respect even when you are not doing in a right way. They don't judge you, they appreciate you. It gives real motivation to continue. So I'm very happy because I when I see uh, uh, you are when I see you are all commenting on my videos, I feel very happy and I will definitely try to get better in speaking. I will continue focus on my progress. I will continue try to get better at speaking, and think I hope I will do it what all guys expected from me. So I know you want to me to get better at my speaking. You want to see progress uh, in my you want to see progress. So I will definitely do it. So I wasn't able to upload my video for 3 days because I was ill. So from today, I will continue upload my videos. And today is my fifth day of my communication journey. So let's continue. So what gave me what's inspiration for doing the things that you really wants to do? Inspiration, where it come from? When someone appreciates you, uh, when someone appreciates you, you do happy, right? And when someone don't appreciate, they always uh, said about you, you can't do it. Why are you doing this? When someone complaining about you, something gave you much more motivation to do that things when someone try to stop. So, and especially for the girls, and I think I am one of them. I am the girl who wants to grow in her life, but someone wants to hold me back. But I'm not gonna give up. I will continue because you are all guys gave me that inspiration that I really can do it for myself, for your expectation. So let's forget about it, all the things. Let's continue talk about. Let's continue and let's talk about speaking. So I want to give you some tips to improve your speaking skills. So if you improve your speaking skills, you need to start with the basics, start with the introduction, start with the greetings, good morning, how are you, and ask questions. Even if you have a partner, practice with them. And if you don't have a partner, forget it about partners. You are your own partner. Become your own partner and practice in a front of a mirror. I think practice in the front of a mirror is the bestest way to improve your speaking skills, your confidence. Because when you practice in front of mirror, you look at yourself, you watch yourself, how you are moving your hands, how you are look at yourself in the mirror. It will help you to build your confidence. It will help you to improve, to watch your body language. And I think in speaking, in confident speaking, you need to be uh, focused on your body language. And I think and your voice. I think the most important uh, thing is the most important uh, thing is your voice. Your voice, how how will how can you talk and how can you express yourself? Like when you talk suddenly, hi everyone, how are you? It will look like you are not uh, able to speak. You are not interesting in it, and no one gonna listen to you. And if you uh, speak very fast, hey everyone, how are you? The If you talk like that, people also ignore you. Don't no one gonna listen. But if you talk calm and if you talk with calm, means I meant to say if you speak uh, in a better way, you need to speak whatever you speak clearly. The best way to express yourself is speak clearly. Whatever you speak clearly. And when you speak, uh, calm down yourself and speak clearly and express yourself clearly. Try to express yourself clearly. Because uh, I heard a quote from R. Madhavan said, R. Madhavan said, so I think you might heard of that when R. Madhavan said, remember to have a strong and good personality. You need to remember our very first important secret mantra, that is speak good, speak well, speak clearly. You need to space out what you really want to say. So relax while speaking. So relax while speaking and speak good is nothing without an attitude to match. So I think speaking English is important, but I think uh, what is most important is in speaking what you want to say, what you want to uh, try to keep the masses to your audience, to your people. So I think in speaking, that is the most important thing is to speak clearly. So when you speak clearly, people listen to you. And I think in speaking, it is the most important thing. But you need to focus on that. So, uh, and I am also focusing on that. What I want to say, I want to say it clearly, because when you talk about something and you don't talk it clearly, and when people don't understand you, it there is no meaning of your speaking, because you want to you want to people listen to you. So you need to speak clearly. So I am also focusing on that, and I am focusing on my speaking. So I want to speak clearly. So the best way to speak clearly, practice. So I'll practice from today. I try to practice more so I can speak more clearly, so I can uh, interact with you. You know, uh, I interact with you with a clarity, whatever topic I take, whatever topic I wants to talk. I want to talk it clearly. So, uh, and if you really wants to improve your speaking skills, there is no uh, w- uh there is no uh, magic. If you really wants to improve your communication, start first. You need to start from the basic. You need to talk with. You need to practice. When you start, you are not able to communicate with someone. The best way to uh, start your speaking is to talk to yourself. Talk in front of Talk to yourself in front of mirror. This is the best way, I think. And when you get a progress in that, and then you start watching videos, you can watch it, videos about introduction, about greetings, and how to ask someone how are you, like that. And it will and copy them and talk to yourself in front of the mirror. And when you practice, uh, it gives you confidence, and then you become able to understand sentences, and then you can watch it videos and learn from that videos, and you need to imitate that videos. It will more helpful to build your fluency, and it will help your vocals. So that's all it for today. So from so I want to uh, upload my video continue, but I know I am not uploading my video on a One time, I meant to say, I didn't have a planned time that I upload my video, but I really want to upload my videos in the morning, but I am not able to upload at that time because when it's come about girls, you need to work, you need to help your mother to do the house chores. So that's why I was not able, but I'm trying to upload my video in the morning around 9 a.m. So that's all about it. Uh, uh, but I promise you guys from today I will continue upload my video. Whatever it takes, I will definitely upload my videos. If you like my videos, please uh, like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. It will give it gives me inspiration to uh, it gives me motivation to upload my videos. So I I want to say thank you again, guys. Thank you guys to all of you who likes my videos, who commenting on my videos. It really gives me inspiration to and motivation to continue to my video, to continue to upload my videos. And I hope you like my videos. Thank you.